Assalamualaikum, my name is Azmil bin Ahmad. I'm a student from OUM Green Hill. Currently, I'm working at Sapura Energy about 12 years as a construction engineer. So for today, I would like to present on project management simplify from my current company lah, in Sapura Energy. So we start from the first slide. Introduction. From project, a series of tasks to be completed to achieve, and a set of input and output necessary to achieve. In project management, application of process, method, skill, knowledge, and experience to achieve specifically project objective. Final deliverables that are constrained to be finite, time scale, and budget. Sapura company background is based in Sri Kembangan, and then markets is more than 20 countries, employ about 13,000 people, and Sapura Energy also is a leading global provider integrated oil and gas services, including the business exploration, expansion, production, rejuvenation, as well as the level of closure and neglect of the value chain. Formerly through a merger between Sapura Gas and Kechana. Okay, they have three core business in Sapura Kechana. Is Sapura Energy, is engineering and construction, drilling and completion, operation and maintenance. Most of these three core business is for engineering is creation of offshore platform and offshore lines, provide high-end engineering services and offshore oil and gas project. Drilling and completion has the largest drilling assistance fleet in the world, drilling more than 400 wells over a year. And operation and maintenance maintain activities consist of submarine services, diving services, geotechnical and geophysical services. Through is the PCIC solution, Sapura Energy offer client operation and maintains the services. This slide is my high end of board director chart, which is from board directors, and then the sub coordinate from each part and each year. Current and project. Before this, I choose this project because I'm directly involved with this. Number one is EPCIC contracts. It's from Umbrella Petroleum, named Pegaga project, and then Larak Korek and Bakong gas field. This current project is two current project from my previous company, previous job. In project management plan, case study, a formal document that determines how a project will be carried out. Describe the scope, proposed budgeting, scheduling, and delivering the project. Provide a comprehensive baseline on what we should achieve and how to achieve. Document should be used in reference to the project. In project management plan, they have integration management, scope management, schedule management, cost management, quality management, resource management, communication management, stakeholder management, risk management, and procurement management. Actually, from the project management is detailed management to run the project. The scope management is the process which output, result, and benefit are identified, determined, and controlled. By managing the project scope documentation, everything needs to achieve project goals and avoid problems. Scope declaration is they have four elements: delivery of the project, exception, design constraint, and hypothesis. In project scope management, they have 6 elements. One is a planned scope management, collect requirement. Number 3 is a defined scope. Number 4, create WBS. Number 5, validate scope. And number 6 is control scope. In time management process, time management process is most critical part in project, which is if let's say we don't have we can't achieve this, we can unforeseen the problem. We got problem later on this project. I simplify in this on the 6 scope of a time management process. Number 1 is expand the project schedule. Number 2, estimate the duration. Number 3, estimate the source. Number 4 is sequence of the activities. Number 5 is determine the activities of the project. And number 6 is planning management. Main type of schedule. Also, project schedule tend to be simplified to-do list, which a project timeline or calendar. Result schedule, track milestone and keep presentation. Not all activities are required to complete the project. And then number 3, detailed schedule is identify and track every activities. Important to have a detailed schedule if it's a complex, large or a long-term project. Benefit of project schedule management: help track, report and communicate goals, communicate process, make sure everyone is on the same page, highlight problem and concern, identify relationship between activities, use track process in identify problem. When this element you can follow, which for me is good, and also is a good benefit to the project timeline and client satisfactory. The 4 elements in the quality management is quality of planning, quality improvement, quality control and quality assurance. Quality planning is identify the quality standard, deciding how to approach. Quality improvement change aim and increases the confidence or reliability of result. Quality control continues effort to maintain the integrity and reliability. Quality assurance plan action required to offer adequate reliability. Guideline of quality management process. Process begin when the organization set quality goals, then determine how the goal will be measured, and then final step to involve communicating the overall level. Principle of management. Number 1 is for the customer focus. Number 2, leadership to the project. And then number 3, how to be engaged to the people. And number 4, how we approach process approach. Number 5 is continuous improvement. Number 6, evidence-based approach. And number 7 is most important is relationship management. When this change can follow, means client will maybe we will have next project, or maybe their continuous order from our, because we have this principle, we follow this principle on the quality. So when the item we product is good, then the continuous order and repeating project to the company, then also company gain money and have a better future. Risk management, identification, assessment and priorities of the risk, application of coordinate and economic sources to minimize, monitor and control the impact of unfortunate event of personal activities. Arise from a variety of sources. They have 2 types of event. Number 1 is a negative event, can be classified as a risk. We can avoid this risk, but we can prevent. Number 2 is positive event, can be classified as opportunities. This management process, I classified in 5 risks. Number 1, identify the risk. Number 2, analyze the risk. Number 3, evaluate the risk. Number 4, treat the risk. And number 5, monitor the review the risk. Procurement is also part of project management. Procurement is function for the strategic approach to the management and optimization of organization expenses, obtaining quality goods and services. Process include recruiting and demand ordering, consideration, inspection, and organization. This is a flow chart for the procurement process. Number 1 is a plan procurement management. Identify what resources need, set out and statement of working detail. Number 2 is conduct procurement. When get bids in from contractors, analyze and decide the best. Number 3 is control procurement. Manage the contractor hired and monitor their works, keeping their schedule. And number 5 is close procurement. Have a detailed process to make sure contracts have been fulfilled and closed properly. Expectation. Successful when the project gets started on time within budget. This is the most important, but still make the team and customer happy. As from my previous slide, I already tell that if customer satisfied in our item, our product, they will be continuously order from us. And then number 2 is a most critical but neglected skill for any project manager is managing customer and team expectation. Number 3 is 3 main constraints of the project are time, money, and quality. And the lastly is a client can only choose 2. They have choose to money plus time, quality plus money, or time plus quality. In conclusion, project management helps to detail which activities will be completed, who will be involved, and when the activities should be started and are completed. A team leader must understand the project lifecycle, risk, and risk management. Applying the right tools during the process can lead to the achievement of project goals. When the project doesn't seem to achieve its goal, they need to know when to stop. Thanks for today and Assalamualaikum. Thank you.